There are certain situations where G&M code should be added manually. For this part, I would like to manually add some G&M code after the fourth operation. I want this code to only be run on the first part or in the event that the spot drill tool is changed. Since these purple holes are for 1/8 pipe threads, I'm uncertain if the spot drill tool has drilled deep enough to leave a chamfer at the top of the holes. So I'll manually code the machine to stop so that the depth of the spot drill can be checked. To manually enter code, I'll select the Tool Path Utilities option, then select the Manual Entry option. In the Manual Entry window, I'll enable the radio button for As Code. Then in the white box, I'll enter /M00. The slash is known as the block skip or block delete function. If the block button on the machine controller is enabled, then any code on that line after the slash will be ignored by the machine. If the block skip is not enabled, then the M code will be executed by the CNC machine. Because of my code, when the first part is run, the block skip will not be turned on and the M00 code will be executed. The M00 tells the machine to stop all motion. This will stop all axis movement, shut the coolant off, and stop the spindle. The machine will not start again until the operator presses the cycle start button on the controller. I'll accept this code and exit the manual entry window. Manual entry code cannot be simulated. Next, I'll add some code as comment to help the operator understand why the machine stopped.